lastly, what do you have to tell the viewers? Like, if you are to advise the young generation coming up or coming to be a student or seeking for admission
Yes,
to
if
school.
I
So,
had to advise those who want to try the path of academics, is for them to be very disciplined. Academics requires discipline, and we are taught in our areas that area of study that disciplines are of two types, internal and external. And so the invitation of external discipline comes when there is absence of internal discipline. And so there must be internal discipline in place for you to be successful in your academics and in fact in all other disciplines of endeavors.
okay. Why do you choose university?
Well, I choose Uniport for what do you call it, demographic reasons. It's close to my place, and because there was no means of that time to go to a distance.